lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. So guys, today I'm bringing you this nice and chilled coffee banana smoothie. If you know you love coffee like I do, if you know you can't start your day without a coffee, I'm bringing you this nice combination of coffee and smoothie to help you kickstart your day. Okay, so guys, here are the very simple ingredients I'll be using today to make my coffee banana smoothie. I have my milk. You can use any milk of your choice, honey, coffee, cinnamon, 1 banana, and 2 spoons of natural yogurt. Okay, so guys, come with me. Let's make this nice and chilled combination. Oh, you also be needing some iced that you'll be putting on it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to put in my banana in my smoothie cup. I'm going to add my Greek yogurt. I'm using 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of coffee. I love coffee, guys. I can't start my day without a glass of coffee. So I said I need a good combination to add my coffee to my smoothie to start my day. So I just add a little cinnamon. I love the taste and the aroma of cinnamon. It makes my day goes like wow. So I'm adding a spoon of honey. And I'm going to be pouring in my milk. You can use almond milk, soya milk, cow milk, any one of your choice. So as always, I always like to throw in some ice when I'm making a smoothie. So I'm going to throw in some ice. And I'm going to blend all together. Okay, so guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you, my lovely friends, my lovely family. You guys are my family. Okay, I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I just want to thank you that is just watching this video, because I know you're definitely going to subscribe to be a part of the family. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. Okay, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Help me to share this recipe to all my coffee lovers out there, to all my smoothie lovers. Help me to hit that red button and turn on the bell so you won't miss out of my videos, so you will become a part of the family and be notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much, guys. So at this moment, I'm just going to get my nice cup and pour in my smoothie. And now I'm going to add in some more ice cube. Guys, you need to try this. I tell you, you need to try this. That's it. So right now I'm just going to sprinkle some little cinnamon on top of it to give it that nice view, to give it that nice presentation. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help me to smash on that subscribe button. Help me to smash on the bell so you'll be notified when I post new video. Till I see you on my next video, do have a lovely day. Do have a blessed day. Bye.